What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer making a video on this beautiful day, y'all. And it is too cold to be outside. And I'm tired of my seed storage bin. So I got a quick and easy DIY seed storage bin that you will never have to upgrade and you will love. All right, YouTube, before I get into what I'm doing, I want to explain to you why I'm doing it. I've had different kinds of seed storage bins over the years, and I'm gonna tell you what I find wrong with all of them. This one is okay. These are stackable. Pull the top off, unclip that one. That's the next one. But I want more individualized drawers. I want it simple. I just open the drawer, get a seed, and close the drawer back. I've knocked this over 100 times. I don't like it. I could buy more and keep stacking them but I don't like that. This works well, really well. But it holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 16, which ain't that bad. But they don't actually hold a whole lot. Once you get, I don't know, 10 packs of seeds in there, it's maxed out. I don't know. It was okay. And I don't like the way it looks. It gets really dusty sitting around. I don't like the looks. Use this. That doesn't work for obvious reasons. But I can't expand on it. This is all the room it has. I need something that can expand with me as I get more seeds, or I don't know. I just think it's bulky. It's a lot to do, a lot to unfasten. It's too much for me. So I'm gonna show you what I want to do. All right, let's go over the stuff you're gonna need and the stuff I purchased. First off, this it comes 3 drawers, and they are 6 by 8. These are the perfect size. Perfect size. Come with 3 of them. 3 drawers in there. About 6 in total. 6. A little more than I want to spend, but it was a fun project and I thought it would look better than those random seed storage ones I got. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It was $5. I thought it was cool and festive and reminded me of spring and spring seed planting. So I got it. I got a glue gun. I've never used a glue gun. We're gonna see how it goes. It shouldn't be that hard. And what the gist of it is, I'm gonna hot glue all of them up here. And then once it sits up, it's gonna look beautiful. Now, first thing, I gotta get this off the bottom because I want all of the press right against it. So I'm gonna see if I can't tap it off without breaking it. Oh, it's 5 board. I just pop it out. All right, I got the bottom off. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put some hot glue down the side and I'm gonna put them on. Hopefully I don't burn myself, y'all. Cross your fingers. Now let's see how this works. Center it up. And we're just gonna do them one by one. Glue the bottom, press it up against there. I'm gonna let it finish up and I'll come back and show you the end result. All right, y'all, this is how it turned out. Even it, the edges off at the bottom so it can stand on its own. So I got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 drawers of space. And it's in pink. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And then I went down the sides with my glue gun to make sure it was attached on the sides, not only the backs, to make sure I got a sturdy fit to it. So I'm gonna let it sit up for about an hour before I stand it up and show y'all the results. All right, this is what it looks like all put together. It's got a cool pop of color. Sweet. All functional drawer. Label, got plenty of space for it. Seeds, plenty of space. I'm gonna take some masking tape, put across the bottom, and that way I can label everything, and I can go back and take the masking tape off if I change seeds out. But all these seeds are pretty big. And there you go. This is the seed storage tower. If you see it anywhere else, they stole it from your guy Brokefarmer. All right, y'all. So I got to get all these in. I got to get all these in. And I got to get all these in. And I got to get everything out this little tote. All right, y'all let me know in the comments, what could I have done to improve it? If you made it, what would you do different? And just overall, what you think of the seed storage tower. Let me know down in the comments. I just want to know, because I plan on building a friend of mine one, and I just want to know what upgrades you think I could make, what could have made it a little bit better. You know, that's just what you think in general. No big whoop. Let me know. I got work to take care of. I can't play with y'all all day. I got to put all these seeds up, y'all. Peace.